What's up everybody, I'm Sean and I am hands down the best web developer in this video. And I know I say that every time and it's a bad joke, but whatever. Anyway, this is the 6th video in a series on how to build a website with your own custom code, not using WordPress or another content management system. And I want to emphasize again that this video series is for serious coders, not for WordPress warriors or drag and droppers. You can be a total beginner, that's fine, but you just have to know that you want to build websites with your own custom code, not using a site builder. And if you missed the first 5 videos and you want to get caught up, you can find them all on our channel. Today, in this video, we're talking about JavaScript. And I know, we're getting into the scary stuff now. JavaScript is the front-end programming language of the web. It's the language that you, my friend, use to add interactivity to your web pages. So to give you an example of what JavaScript does, when you're on a website and you click on a button, for example, a button that takes you to a different page on the site or somewhere else, or is a link to something, that's done through JavaScript typically. When you add JavaScript to the HTML and CSS that you already know, because I know you watched the previous 2 videos, right? And I know you're already working on those courses and specializations that I recommended to you, right? Once you add JavaScript to that, now you're capable of building a fully functioning interactive website. Now, JavaScript can look very intimidating, especially if you have no prior programming experience. It's a hard to understand language with a whole bunch of functions and methods and objects and crazy stuff like promises and the this keyword that bring even experienced programmers to their knees. But you, my friend, should learn JavaScript and you should not be intimidated by it. Although it can look overwhelming and intimidating, if you master just some of the basics of JavaScript, that can be all you need to add some interactivity to your websites, and you do not need to know everything about JavaScript. If you go to our website, for example, tomorrows-campus.com, link below, check it out, over 1,000 web development courses. I'm sure you'll find the one that's right for you. Anyway, you'll see a website that's built with my own custom code and very basic, limited JavaScript, but it works and looks great. And speaking of links, there's also a link down below to a JavaScript specialization. Check it out. Now, several other related topics we should touch on. The first one is jQuery. jQuery is a JavaScript library that makes it easier to manipulate the DOM. Who the hell is DOM? The DOM is not a person. It stands for Document Object Model. And to give you just a quick example of manipulating the DOM with jQuery or JavaScript, whenever an HTML element gets changed in style or appearance with jQuery or JavaScript, that's what we're talking about when we're saying manipulating the DOM. Now, jQuery was built to make DOM manipulation easier, and it can be useful, but it's not totally necessary. Anyway, if you already know JavaScript, you want to learn jQuery, check out the link below to the jQuery course. And the link I mentioned also includes JSON, which is JavaScript object notation. It's a data exchange format that's well beyond the scope of this video, but again, check out the link below if you're interested. Also, you may have heard of things like React, Angular, and Vue. These are very popular JavaScript libraries that are typically used for app development. As you get a little bit more advanced in your web development, it's probably recommended that you learn at least one of the 3, but you do not need to know any of them or any of this extra stuff I've talked about to build a website. However, there are links down below if you're interested in either React, Angular, or Vue. The bottom line is that JavaScript might look intimidating or overwhelming because it's this complex programming language. It just looks kind of scary, and it's got all these libraries and frameworks and all this crazy information you're supposed to try to learn. But if you break it down, if you just learn the basics of JavaScript, that's enough for you to be able to add interactivity to your websites. So don't be scared of JavaScript. Be bold. Click that link down below to get started with your JavaScript learning journey. And that's all for this video, folks. Next week's video is going to be on how to make your websites responsive or mobile friendly, and I know a lot of you are excited about that. Drop one of these if you like the video, comment down below if you feel there's anything I missed, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to get notified of when the next video is coming out, and click on the link for tomorrows-campus.com. I know I've said it to you over 1,000 times, but there's over 1,000 web development courses in the database. I'm sure you're going to find one that fits your needs. All right, everybody, till next time, keep saving the world with the amazing code that you write, even if it's just basic JavaScript code.